Hello, this is the walkthrough of the Daily Telegraph Prize crossword number 29,556 from Boxing Day, this Saturday, the 26th of December 2020. We'll start with two down. Course record so modest at the outset, so a record could be an EP, so, and then modest at the outset, M, the start of modest, gives us Epsom for a course, a race course. And then we can do three down, oddly despair. So an anagram of of despair, meaning spoken highly of. And that's going to be praised. Now we can do 10 across. Confused when fishing, perhaps. If you're all at sea, you can be confused. And if you're at sea, you might be fishing. So that's going to be at sea for 10 across. And then we can do 18 across. Particular brewing of ales epic, so brewing those letters of ales epic, meaning particular, it's going to be E special. In particular. And then 19 down, all the best, encouragement, I love. So I love is going to be IO at the end. And if you cheer somebody, you encourage them. And cheerio, a goodbye term meaning all the best. And next we can do 23 across. A flower came to light. A rose, something arose. So a flower, a rose will be 23 across. And 15 down. Store, trophy. So trophy could be a cup. A flat surface could be a board. And a store could be a cupboard. For 15 down. And then 14 across. Something like a cricket cap is coveted and delighting Australian openers. So something like a cricket cap is coveted. The openers of all those words gives us cicada, which is an insect that's like a cricket. And then one across, part-time shocks. So a temp is a part-timer. And shocks, this is going to be as in hair, tresses. Put them together, we get temptresses for alluring women. And 6 down, vengeful Greek, spoiled treacle, so an anagram of treacle is going to be Electra. Now we've got the beginning with E, that's quite easy. And 5 down, African, very African, so somebody from Mali would be a Malian, I guess. And if you were very African, so Malian or Somalian, so I think that's going to be correct for 5 down, Somalian. 13 across, and the writer of this puzzle, the set is referring to themselves, so it's me. Put that after and you get theme for the subject for discussion. For 13 across. And then we've got 20 across. County provides employees. So if you staff something, you provide employees. And staffs is just short for Staffordshire, isn't it? And 21 down, swimmer. Touring islands, so I for islands, so islands is IS, and then another one, and the swimmer's going to be tuna going around it, for the country being Tunisia. 9 down, comprehensive hit, when everyone refuses to work, that is going to be a general strike. Comprehensive, general education, comprehensive education. 16 across. Wine around South Africa, so that's SA for South Africa. Certainly not is another word for no. And then the one in this case is going to be carver, going around it. Gives us a ladies' man or a Casanova. And then 11 across, hit yourself. So a hit, it's as in a pop song, a number one. And yourself, think about number one, think about yourself. 8 down, solitary type, fellow struggling. So this is an anagram of fellow to carry on. So you put the word on inside an anagram and you get a lone wolf for a solitary type. And then 12 across, weapon striking girl with the letters in. This is going to have to be bombshell, as in a girl, a blonde bombshell or something, but is a bombshell a weapon? A bomb probably is. 25 down. Clubs, I, and then initially rely on, so it's just the starts of all these words. Gives us irons for golf clubs. And then I think we can do 27 across. Ordinary wares, so what wares he selling? Your stock, ordinary stock photos or stock answers and so on, ordinary. 24 across. Money man, in more ostentatious, that's going to be fancier. And in is going in. Clothes, so more ostentatious clothes, it goes around in for financier, for a money man. Getting there now. 22 across. Anne, official in college could be a dean. So an Anne Dean, put it together, we get Andean, which obviously refers to the Andes as a range of mountains. That's 22. And 28 across. Yeah, this is a bit of a toughie. Rich yellow food in salad stuff. So it's an anagram of in salad. And in mouth, a word for mouth, gob, or could be whole. Yeah. And then you have an anagram of in salad going in, and it gives us hollandaise, which obviously is a very rich yellowish sauce. 17 down. Again, looking at the letters that are in. Flower opened a daisy. So the openers of a daisy coming up. And then it's going to have to be daffodil. If we look at the letters going up the other way, it's lid off. So I guess if something's opened, the lid is off. A bit tenuous, that one. And 4 down, sorry. Stem is going to be runner. A river and a stem could be a runner, I guess. Now, reported impertinence, so that's a homophone. Those waiting for a haircut could be in a barbecue. So it's going to be barbecue. And then sauce, if sauciness or impertinence, possibly. But certainly we could say barbecue sauce would be something that's quite spicy. So I think that is going to be the answer. Which just leaves us with 26 across, which is move. If you cart something, you move it. Top, ridge tiles and stuff are the things at the top, aren't they, of a roof, let's say. So if you cart ridge, and certainly a something you would find in a magazine as in terms of a gun would be a cartridge. So that's going to be the right answer, and that is our last Saturday crossword of the year done. Best wishes for the new year, and I'll see you again soon.